Here is the login page. We have the username and the password, and here you can see the title of the web page says Web Access HMI SCADA software. The first thing you can try is for the default passwords. So you can search for Web Access HMI default password, and you can see we have Advantech Web Access. So the company was Advantech, and here you can see the default credentials. So let's try few of these credentials. Advantech admin. So let's copy this, and you can see we have successfully logged in as Advantech. So the first thing you can remember during the pen test or bug bounty is to try the default credentials like this according to the software related. Also, I am going to show you one website, CIRT. So if you go to the CIRT.net, here you can search for like software versions like Cisco. So you get all the Cisco routers default credentials. You can also search for TP-Link. So there are no matches. Let's try for Advantech. So there are no matches, and you can also try for other router softwares. So if you have faced any of the software's login page, so you can try this CIRT.net or PassDB. Also you can also Google for the default credentials. It is always important thing to check for default credentials.